Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video, I would like to describe a very easy knitting pattern. This pattern can be used for making cardigans, sweater, jacket, shawl, stole and so much more. From the right side, it looks like this. And from the wrong side, it looks like this. It is a 2 rows repeat knitting pattern and the stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the pattern. Friends, before starting the pattern, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration, I have cast on 14 stitches on my needle, 4 multiple 12 and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start and the pattern is, here our pattern is of 4 stitches. So first 2 stitches, the space after these 2 stitches like this, make a loop फ्रॉम हेयर, एक लूप बनाएंगे 2 स्टिचेस के बाद ऐसे करके, देन यार्न ओवर, फिर से इन 2 स्टिचेस को थ्रो द बैक लूप, इनका 2 का 1 बना लेंगे, knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop like this. Now drop these 2 stitches. नेक्स्ट इन 2 स्टिचेस को थ्रो द बैक लूप, इनका 2 का 1 बना लेंगे, knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. First is our edge stitch, after that our pattern is start and the pattern is make a loop after the 2 stitches, then yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop, then again knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop. So we will repeat this pattern. First of all, here are these 4 stitches, so the space after these 2 stitches from here, make a loop from here like this, से लूप बना ली, देन यार्न ओवर, knit, फिर से इन 2 स्टिचेस को थ्रो द बैक लूप, इनका 2 का 1 बना लिया, सीधा बुनते हुए knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop like this, then knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop. Repeat one more time. Here are 4 stitches, so after these 2 stitches here is a space, so make a loop from here like this, then yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop like this, then again knit 2 stitches together, throw the back loop, सीधा बुनते हुए पीछे की तरफ से 2 का 1 बनाया. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Last is our edge stitch, so we will knit our edge stitch, उसे हम सीधा बुन लेंगे. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start and the pattern is yarn in back, धागे को पीछे करेंगे, knit 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3, knit 3 stitches, then yarn in front, slip 1 stitch, it is our loop. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 1 2 and 3, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch. Repeat one more time. Yarn in back, knit 3 stitches, 3 stitches सीधे, 1 2 and 3, yarn in front, slip 1 stitch. Last is our edge stitch, so yarn in back, knit the edge stitch. So friends, after the 2 rows our pattern is ready. We will repeat our row 1 to 2 for the desired length of the pattern. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying it.